Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how to make DIY compost at home. So let's get started with the video.
First, to make our DIY compost, we are going to need a huge bucket with holes on the bottom. These holes are going to be helping us in draining away the extra water. Also, don't forget to place a plate on the bottom of the bucket so that it collects the extra drained water. Next, we are going to be placing a few stones on top of these holes so that the soil does not clog the holes and prevent the water from getting drained. Next, we are going to be adding an even layer of soil on top of the stones. Just make a good thick layer on top of the stones, and don't forget to take out the big chunks of soil and rocks that are there on the top. You guys can see how I'm taking out all the stones. Next, here I have some husk of coconut, and we are going to be ripping this apart with our hands and placing an even layer on top of the soil. So here you guys can see how I'm ripping it apart with my hands. Make an even layer on top of the soil. Next, here I am going to be crumbling some dry leaves and placing it on top of the husk of coconut. So next, here I have some tea leaves, and this is well washed with normal tap water and has no residue of sugar or milk left behind in it. And we are just going to be spreading it over the dry leaves. Now here I have some kitchen waste, and you should not add any kind of cooked food to this compost. And here I am using watermelon rind, coriander stems, onion peels, carrot peels, egg shells, etc. You can use any kind of fruit and vegetable waste, and make sure that the chunks of your fruit and vegetable waste are small so that it can decompose easily. Just spread it evenly on top. And next, you have to make an even layer of soil on top of it. Again, just spread it evenly and take out the bigger chunks of soil and rock that are there and just press it down gently. Now I'm just going to be sprinkling some water using my hands, and this is going to be helping in keeping the soil moist and also decompose the waste. You guys have to repeat this process of layering your kitchen waste and soil every day until the bucket is full. Now I'm going to be covering this and keeping it aside to decompose. The time for decomposing might vary from place to place, as the climate in every place is not same. It might take 1 month to 2 months to decompose completely. Now here I've let this to decompose for about 2 months. And you guys can see everything is decomposed well, but you guys can see a few chunks of eggshells in it, and eggshells do not break apart very easily, so don't add eggshells to your compost in a large amount. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this compost. You can use it in two ways. One is the way that I'm doing it here, and that I'm layering it on top of the layer of soil that is already there in the plant. And the second way that you guys can do it is just mix the compost in soil and then plant your sapling. I've already used this once in all my plants, and you guys can see how good my plants are growing. This compost has all the nutrients that your plants need. Please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out and how your plants are growing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell to get notified each time I post a new video.